In the rugged highlands of the Horn of Africa, a mighty Islamic state once rose, a kingdom of warriors, scholars, and faith. This is the story of the Adal Sultanate, a Somali-led empire that challenged empires and shaped the destiny of East Africa. The roots of Adal trace back to the early Islamic centuries, when Muslim traders and scholars arrived along the Somali coast. By the 13th century, Adal had emerged as a powerful state centered around the city of Zeila, a coastal hub of commerce and religion. Led by Somali dynasties and connected to the wider Islamic world, Adal became a beacon of faith, learning, and resistance, especially against the expanding Christian Ethiopian Empire to the west. In the 15th and 16th centuries, the Adal Sultanate entered its golden age under the leadership of the Imams. Among them rose a name that would echo across history: Imam Ahmad ibn Ibrahim al-Ghazi, known as Gurey or Gran, meaning the left-handed. Imam Ahmad led a jihad against the Christian Abyssinian Empire, launching a campaign that nearly brought the Ethiopian kingdom to its knees. Armed with Ottoman firearms and driven by religious zeal, his armies swept across the highlands, capturing vast territories. The war between Adal and Ethiopia was one of the most devastating in African history. From 1529 to 1543, cities were burned, armies clashed, and cultures collided. Adal's forces pushed deep into Ethiopia, until a fateful alliance changed the tide. The Ethiopian emperor called for help from Portugal. In 1543, at the Battle of Wainadaga, Imam Ahmad was killed in battle. His death marked the turning point, and soon, Adal's power began to decline. After the death of Imam Ahmad, the Adal Sultanate never fully recovered. Internal divisions, wars with the Oromo, and pressure from surrounding empires weakened the state. By the late 16th century, Adal had fractured into smaller principalities. Yet the legacy of Adal lives on. Its memory is preserved in Somali oral poetry, in Ethiopian chronicles, and in the very identity of the Somali people, as defenders of faith and sovereignty. The story of Adal is not just the story of a lost kingdom. It is the story of resilience, resistance, and the enduring spirit of a people. From the shores of Zeila to the battlefields of Wainadaga, the echoes of Adal still whisper across the Horn of Africa.